Hello and welcome to the channel Let's Automate. Today we're going to discuss about control room license management bot, specifically creating a locker and credentials for the bot to work. Once you're logged into the control room, you need to select the credentials option under bots and then click on create locker. Name the locker as locker underscore CR as instructed in the README file. Put in a description which is optional. If you already have some credentials, you'll see it under available credentials list. Since I don't have any, it is empty for me. So I'll just click on next. By default, the person creating the locker is listed as the owner of the locker. If you want, you can add more users. We're not going to do that in this tutorial. So we'll just click on next. We can optionally add locker managers. We're going to skip this. Similarly, locker participants, again, is an optional step, so we'll skip this too. Locker consumer is the role that we need to be able to use the credentials on the robot. We have to select the role which is associated with the ID that you use on Automation Anywhere client. In my case, the role name is locker, which is associated with the ID that I use to log into Automation Anywhere client. So I'm going to select locker, push it on the right hand side, and then click on create locker. Here we see the locker now listed. We'll go ahead and click on my credentials and create the credentials now. As instructed, the credentials name should be credential underscore CR. We can put an optional description. Select the locker we just created. Click on the right arrow. Okay, now there are three attributes that we need to create. The first one is URL. Click standard, enter the value of your control room URL. Please ensure you do not put a slash at the end of the URL. Leave it till .com or till the IP address. Do not put a / at the end. You can also put a description here. And then click on the plus sign to create the next attribute. The next one is username. This is the username which will be used to perform administrative tasks. So we'll just name it as admin. You need to enter the username provided by your control room administrator, or if you're the admin, then your ID. The next attribute is password. You can select standard, check, masked, save your password here. The credentials are created. You can update the description. This is completely optional. Scroll up and select create credentials. That's it. Your credentials and your locker both are now ready to be used on Automation Anywhere client on the control room license management robot. Thank you.